So if you're looking for something fun and educational for your kids, we have this electronic robotic kit. And it has 7 of these little items you could build. It has a wind propeller car, a fiber optic lamp, a balance robot, an obstacle avoidance robot, a doodling robot, and a wind powered glider, and a flatbed car. So here are the items. They're right on the back of the box. So highly recommend this for your kids. Let's go ahead and build one.
So today I'm building a wind-powered car. The steps look easy to follow. And here are the pieces. You have 4 wheels, a propeller, and the motor. Googly eyes, screws, a clamp thing, I don't know the name of it. 2 metal bars, the base plate, and the power. And a little screwdriver. So let's build it. This is the final results of the wind-powered car. Check it out. There's a little lever to stop and start the electricity. So be careful.